All right, we have Bitcoin reaching an all-time high over $80,000 as of today. It is Sunday, November 10th, and Bitcoin crossed 80K for the first time this morning. Bear with me as I try to live stream for the first time. Let's see how this is going. All right, looks like we are live. All right, perfect. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin 1 minute chart. Let's break it down. Bitcoin at 79,700 after breaking above 80K earlier today, getting close to 80,100. Usually don't go on the minute chart, but just pretty exciting to see here. So let's just keep a close eye on the minute movements here. Of course, if we look at something like the hourly chart, we can see price just going up. There's a lot happening right now for this. For this to be the case, a lot of things, including nation state adoption. This is a Forbes article. Bitcoin has suddenly surged higher with the price coming within touching distance of 80,000. We've since crossed that. Per Bitcoin, as expectations soar, as US President-elect Donald Trump could create a game-changing Bitcoin strategic reserve. The Bitcoin price has added almost 20% since this time last week. Damn. With traders betting on a key milestone before the new year. Small cryptocurrencies, including ETH up 30, Dogecoin up 50, Cardano up 70, have exploded higher. Now, as the Federal Reserve in China feed into a perfect storm for the Bitcoin price, rumors are swirling that a country has been quietly buying up Bitcoin. There's at least one nation state that's been actively acquiring Bitcoin is now a top 5 holder. David Bailey, the chief executive of Bitcoin magazine publisher, Bitcoin Inc., and advisor of the Trump election campaign on Bitcoin strategy, posted on X. Just a little bit of background on countries that already have Bitcoin. So, top 5 would be the United States coming in at over 200,000. China's right up there as well, just under 200,000. UK has 61,000. Ukraine almost 50,000. Bhutan, the Kingdom of Bhutan, around 13,000. And El Salvador, which has made Bitcoin legal tender and has been mining Bitcoin with geothermal energy, so through volcanoes, pretty nuts, with about 5,000. So, yep, we'll see how this develops. We'll see how this strategic reserve of the United States works out, and it's just wild to see Bitcoin um, at this price. Really crazy to see. Let's take a look. What is this saying? Sorry, guys, bear with me. All right, I think we're good now. See if anything crazy on Twitter. Wow. Looks like MicroStrategy has $20 billion in Bitcoin. I wonder what that stock's gonna open up on on Monday. Pretty nuts. All right. Looks like we are approaching 80K again. Guys, let me know how long you've been holding Bitcoin and the price you've bought it at. It seems like pretty much everybody's in profit at this point. Let's take a look at the assets by market cap again. I keep refreshing this. Should be the same, but we do see Bitcoin coming up, approaching silver here, just over 1.57 trillion. Wow. And silver's right here. It looks like we're knocking, knocking on the doors of silver and Saudi Aramco. Even Amazon and Google are not very far away. Bitcoin would have to, almost double to take on Microsoft and these, 3 trillion plus companies. We see gold here at 18 trillion. But just a few days ago, I think I posted on Twitter that this, Bitcoin was number 10, just under Meta, prior to a few days ago where it overtook Facebook. Guys, bear with me as I adjust to this whole live stream. Situation, just learning how to do this. Sorry. Oh, come on. We'll figure this out later. All right, 79,855. Not bad. Not bad at all. See what happens if you type Bitcoin into Google. I love when we're in the period of the market where Bitcoin goes up so quickly that the news articles, the prices are just so outdated. You could see 24 hours ago, Trump wins drives Bitcoin to $76,000. Um, and now we're at 80. It's just funny to see Google's top results, things change so quickly. I remember going to bed and Bitcoin was like 77, and I looked at it when I woke up and I saw it was pretty much at this price. It was just under 80, but I saw, let's zoom in for a second, but I saw that I looked at it, I guess it was something somewhere like over here where it looked like it was just like it had hit 80K and had gone down a bit. I was seeing it here and I was thinking, no way, this is absolutely nuts. Course came down correct, just a ton corrected down to 79,003 something. You could see a lot of volume being, a lot of purchasing volume for the minute. And a decent amount of selling here after we hit 80K. But yeah, guys, this is absolutely nuts. I don't think people have enough Bitcoin. I don't think people are bullish enough on Bitcoin. I don't think, people have enough. I don't think I have enough. I don't think you have enough. I don't think anyone really has enough. Do you think Bitcoin is a Veblen good though? Let's look that up. Ari Veblen. Let's look at the AI overview. Sorry, 1 second. All right, never mind. All right, Veblen goods are luxury items that are characterized by a direct relationship between price and demand. As the price of a Veblen good increases, so does the demand for it. This is in contrast to the law of demand, which states that as the price of a good increases, demand for it decreases. This makes sense. So most things are not Veblen goods. Things, if they go too high up in price, people aren't going to want to buy them, meaning the demand will go down as price increases. Veblen goods are different though. You could see as the price goes up, so as the price goes up from say $20 to $30, the demand increases, in this case from 10 to 20. Um, so definitely different than normal goods, like you could see here, as the price goes up from say 20 to 30, um, the demand goes down, you see. All right, looks like we're knocking again on 80K. Good stuff. Let's see it. Let's see it live. Any questions? Sorry, I'm just really getting the hang of this. Probably doing a terrible, shitty live stream, but that's all right. We recommend that use a stream bitrate of 6,800. Okay, can I just change that like this? All right, looks all right. For now, definitely have to make some adjustments on that, but all right. All right, looks like we got something from Reuters. Bitcoin rises above 80,000 for the first time. So Bitcoin is trading near 80K on Sunday after hitting it earlier in the session following Trump's decisive victory in the US presidential election earlier this week. Bitcoin, the world's biggest and best known cryptocurrency, thank you, is up 65.4% from the year's low of 38,505. It hit on January 23rd. Wow. Pretty sure it's up more than 65%. Right? This saying 38,505. It's more than doubled. So I don't know what that maybe they're saying maybe year to date. Let's look at year to date. Um I mean, who knows? All right, Bitcoin shows strong fundamentals, follows patterns seen in previous elections. Yeah, I mean, guys, I made a video on this before. Let's take a look at. I wish I still had the lines drawn on TradingView. Of course, we're gonna have to get out of the minute chart for a second, but wow, if that doesn't look, oh man, look at that. That's just, that's beautiful. They're just breaking out right now. Breaking out 79,869. We had presidential elections, every 4 years. I think when Trump got elected the first time in 2016. Oh wait, I do have the line. Bitcoin was like 600 bucks, 700 bucks. Bitcoin's 100x since Trump got elected in 2016. Um, so, a lot of people buying this probably thought they were late because they've seen people buy Bitcoin at, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, a dollar, 50 cents. But is you just hold it. That's all you have to do. I mean, sure, I made, decent amount of money today. What did I do? Nothing. Nothing. I just held it. Most markets are closed right now. Most people aren't making money right now. But this is to show you, we could make another mark for the 2024, you know, election. Is that November 5th? I don't know if we can get in like that. Let's try it. So on November 5th, we had a high of 70,000 and a low of 67,000. We closed just under 60, sorry, just over 69,000 at 69,386. Because we're already like probably like 18%, something like that, up from that already. And usually Bitcoin doesn't fall after the election to that price again. Well, it looks like it did have a bit of a dip here, but you can see the trend is just one way. We usually have 3 years of upward action followed by, correction, which is fine. That gives people a chance to accumulate at lower prices. It also gets some of the, the leverage out of the system. Let's look at the market cap right now, of the whole cryptocurrency space. Let's see. Wow. Um, Dang. Okay. Looks like we are at $2.74 trillion dollars. We're almost at three, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, was the 2021 peak for total market cap. Of course, this is a record for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance falling just a little bit. You can see some insane moves from was it Cardano went up today like crazy? Yeah, it's up 41% in the past 24 hours. Doge 19. Don't really care about these too much. Nothing against them. I just stick with Bitcoin. I do like to look sometimes. What the heck is this crap? Like, seriously? Oh man. All right. I'm not even gonna waste my time. Good advice. Do not waste your time with any of that stuff. Strategy is simple. There we go. All right. Let me check in on the stream. Sorry. Um, Very unprofessional right now, but All right. Guess we are going to change the bitrate to 6800. I will make a note of that. All right, definitely going to clean it up for the next one. All right, let's see if we're going to hit it. Let's see if we're going to hit it again. Very healthy. I like the look of that. Yes, let's see how we're looking on some of these indicators. All right. Well, there's your bull market support band there. You got, you know, it looks like we got room to rip. 79, 816, 831. Sweet. All right. Let's take a look at the minute again, 829. Guys, just seeing this price is wild. Like people who don't have a substantial amount of Bitcoin, it's going to be, just getting harder and harder right now. If you want 1% of a Bitcoin, it's going to cost you 800 bucks. Of course, for one, it's going to cost 100 times that. Even a tenth of one at this point is going to cost you 8 grand. Again, when Trump got elected the first time, it was like 700 bucks. You might see dominance go down just because of these altcoins are probably going to have their moment at some point. It looks like some of them are breaking out now, like we were talking about before. Will they last the test of time? I mean, I doubt it. We'll see. Any questions? 8:45. I'll give it a few more minutes. Then I gotta run, but let's see what happens in the next few minutes here. Keep an update on Google, any news. Let's see, Twitter probably waking up a little bit more now. People are usually asleep. All right. Um, yeah, nothing crazy going on there. All right, 870. There's another 1 minute chart I like a little bit more. I know everyone likes TradingView, but where did I find this chart? What is going on here? Whoa. This is it. I don't know what this thing is for Google. It's news to me. Um, all right. Right under 80. Right under 80K here. Let's see how high we went up. Looks like we hit a high of $80,217. This is a chart by TradingView. Just looks a little it's like how it looks a little bit better, obviously. All right. All right, guys, I think we're gonna call it there. I'll definitely clean it up for the next live stream, get a little more professional. Just wanted to test it out, see how it worked on my computer, audio, video, things like that. Um, gonna hopefully run this for sure better next time. But thanks for tuning in. Guys, want to leave a like and subscribe. I'll start doing this more regularly, especially as we see more breakouts. So yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll talk to you soon.